In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then tap on App Twin and click on one of those gray switches next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on the No Blue switcher. Finally, select Close in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!